Hello, I'm Shubham, and in this video, we'll cover how to set up independent user attributes. To get started, head to your dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Track and Measurements. Next, select User Attributes from the drop-down menu. On the User Attributes page, you'll see a list of your existing attributes. To create a new one, click the Add User Attribute button. A modal will appear asking for the attribute type. Click the drop-down and select the independent attribute. Then click Start Creating to continue. Now you can define your new attribute. First, give it a clear title. Then provide a unique ID and a brief description. Next, you need to define the data details. This is crucial for how the attribute is stored. Once all the details are filled in, click Save and Publish. And that's it. Your new independent user attribute has been created. It's now visible in your user attributes section and ready to be used for audience segmentation and personalization. Thanks for watching. Feel free to explore our other videos to learn more about how to use PLG OS effectively.